Hello everyone and welcome back to Day Trade Recap, day 29. Today today was just not a good day for us, to be honest. We took a $450 loss today, and this is probably going to be my only trade on the week because tomorrow we have Jackson Hole high impact news and 10 a.m. FOMC high impact news. So tomorrow we are probably going to stay off the markets. I I know exactly why I took this loss. I'm gonna get rid of this 1 minute trade for a second. I didn't take that trade. The trade I actually took was off of this move right here. Entered in a little late. What I was entering off of here was this 5 minute fair value gap. We retrace into this. We break on the 1 minute, and my target was this high here. And as you can see, we move up. I was up almost like 300 by this point, and then we get stopped out. That wasn't a case of me needing to close early because this was literally the only profit I wanted price to hit. The reason we reversed off of this point and didn't take out this high was because before we did that, price hit this high here and it hit this high here. And then trading off this, it's like price isn't going to go any higher. It's time for price to reverse and end up going lower. So really, that was the biggest mistake I made trading after the move already happened. And plus, we broke structure to the downside. We were battling this for value gap here, but we didn't end up breaking it. But then we're battling this order block the entire way up. So this entire move is just pretty sucky and crappy to trade off of. If anything, we should have taken shorts from this high here. That would have offered a way better trade, I feel like. Yeah, if we took something off of like equilibrium right here, that would have been pretty good if we wanted to take shorts. I'm personally not trading against my bias yet because I need to be profitable trading with my bias, and then we can branch out into new things. But for now, I think we're gonna start trading on the 1 minute because literally I'm finding 1 minute trades to be taken nearly like almost every day. Like literally, Monday there was a 1 minute trade, and Tuesday there's a 1 minute trade, except there was a loss because Tuesday's price action sucked on Nasdaq and it was way better on the S&P 500. And Wednesday we would have also taken another win. I don't remember. Yeah, Wednesday we had that big dip down. That was a really good 1 minute move, and today was also a really nice 1 minute move because when we get off market open is, well, first of all, today we had 9:45 high impact news, which is shown on this candle right here. And then we also had 10 a.m. medium impact news, which is shown on this candle right here. They both don't really affect the markets that much, so then it's really like, okay, we can just trade like normal. So then right here, like personally, to enter on the 1 minute, it's about the same as the confirmation I need to enter on the 5 minute. It's break of structure, retracement, and it's just a candle closure and no need for another break of structure. So really, if you're looking at this, first of all, might as well move this here. You don't trade before 9:40. Waiting, waiting, waiting. No break, no break. High right here. Price breaks above it. We form an order block off this down candle right here, plus a breaker. Price taps into that and closes bullish. Enter right here. Put stops below the order block. Or first of all, just see if you can put stops down here. And check your first target. 15-minute high. Okay, that's solid. And then all you're doing is targeting that high right there for your first take profit. Yeah, stops all the way down here. That risk is off, so you're going to tighten stops just below the order block. Solid stop loss, 1.31, good risk to reward. First take profit right here, 1.33 or 1.3, and then 2.25. Probably full close here. I don't know if I'd want to stay in for the rest of the trade. But yeah, bro, freaking bag work. This is the trade you should have taken right here. And then you get stopped at a break even once price makes the move about like an hour later. So yeah, bros, that's honestly it. That's all I got today. I took the wrong trade The 5 minute trade, I was so hesitant about it. I had like so much emotions on that trade. Honestly, it was an emotional trade because I haven't traded since Monday. But that's why like my mental can just not handle like not trading for an entire week. Like I can't take an entire week off of trading. I can take a day or two off. I can't not trade because the last time I traded was last Monday, not this Monday, last Monday. So that was what like I've had four, five, yeah, that's like 7 trading days of not trading. So it's gonna be like the first entry I see here is like I got it, I gotta take it. It wasn't a good entry because we did hit a fair value gap, but we also broke structure to the downside and we had to battle and we already swept hourly liquidity from this high right here. This is only a 15-minute high. So honestly, if price like sweeps out this, then we get our 5 minute retracement, then it's pretty good. This also happens just way too late, not on the day, but like way too late after the move happens. Like you definitely like would have wanted to see the retracement like almost instantly, like take out this high, and then this candle hits the fair value gap. Then it's like okay, we can definitely enter right here. We're just gonna take our first profits here, and then we're gonna get up to this hourly high, and then boom, that's simple. That would have been your trade for the day. So really, just traded too late after the move already happened. And yeah, that'll do it for today, guys. Subscribe if you want to see more trading recaps. Leave a comment on the video if you need help with anything trading related. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I am almost guaranteeing you I'm not going to take a trade tomorrow because of the crazy high impact news. So tomorrow, just anticipate a don't trade day. And yeah, that's it. See you guys tomorrow for day 30.